Okay, so to let the dogs go to the bathroom, I had to snow blow the backyard. As you can see the fence there, that's a 6 foot, probably, yeah, that's a 6 foot fence. And it's halfway up in most places. As you can see it right there. You can barely see the top of the fence. See the top of the fence? Garage door's got 2 feet in front of it. This is going to be fun to snow blow here in a little while. Garage has got a nice pile on it. Look at their garage. That's 3 feet deep, at least, on their garage. And it's blowing really, really bad right now. We're in blizzard watch again until 3 o'clock this afternoon, so we still got a couple hours of this. When I got up this morning, as you can see this file here, I had to clear it. That's how big it was in the whole entire porch. I had to clear enough so I could push the door open and clear the whole thing to get out.